Hi there, this is an instructional video on how to use the Epson Perfection V39 scanner. Come on over down to the Windows symbol. You will go to the Epson folder and open the Epson Scan app. That will open the Epson Scan software. You are going to choose home mode. Make sure you're on home mode. Document type, we are indeed scanning a photograph. Go with color or grayscale, never go just black and white. For your destination, this will dictate the quality of the scan. I always like to go with other or printer. If you're going with other, make sure it's on 300. Printer is fine, as long as this number says 300 DPI. Forget about anything in here. You don't need to worry about any of those right now. You are then going to click preview, but before you do, make sure that your photograph is in the scanner, face down towards the glass. The image is facing the glass, and that it is in the corner with the arrow. You'll see what I mean when you open the flat deck scanner. Click preview, and you will get a preview of your image. Instead of using the thumbnail preview, I would prefer the normal preview. You can also rotate this so it is the correct way up. Here we have the image we will be scanning, and we will click and drag a marquee around it. If you're a little bit off, don't worry about it. You can always crop it later in Photoshop. This marquee dictates what we will be scanning. So I've done that. I now move back to my main Epson Scan window here, and I click Scan. We are ready to scan. When I click this, I get this dialog box up asking me where do I want to save it. That's really up to you. I very much suggest you save to the desktop. So click Other, Browse, and I very much suggest selecting the desktop. If you're going to be scanning multiple images, you may want to make a folder on the desktop and scan to that by clicking here. But I'm just going to do the one image right now. Your prefix should probably be your name. That way you won't lose it. You could put Bobby and then whatever project you're working on, and you can start the number at whatever you want. So I'm going to start at 007. Very clever of me. Image type for a image or image format, you want a JPEG. If you are doing like something that's printed or you don't need too much quality, you can go with a PDF, but JPEG works, it's fine. Click OK. So we're going to click OK. That will scan just the area that we've selected here, and you'll see that on my desktop the image will show up. So there it shows up on the desktop, and in Finder I can also see the image right here. It's on my desktop. I suggest that you remove this from the computer desktop or downloads or wherever you scanned it to a cloud location for storage. And that is how to scan using Epson Scan.